onion and garlic, carrot, Chinese pechay, ganun mo, snow peas, beans, bell pepper, sayote, meat, cauliflower, peanut, and boiled quail. First, heat the pan. Then, put some oil. Mino. When the cooking oil is already heated, we're going to saute the garlic and onion. To wait until it turns to golden brown. Then put the onions. After sauteing, we're going to tenderize the meat. Next, we're going to add some soy sauce or seasoning. After that, add some magic syrup. Put the beans, after adding the beans, we're going to add the sayote and cauliflower. After a minute, we're going to add the carrot, snow peas, and bell peppers. Then we're going to mix it again. Don't put the pan cover, just mix it so the crispiness will still remain. After that, we're going to put the last ingredient, which is the Chinese pechay. We're going to add some oyster sauce. You can use any oyster sauce, but I prefer Mama Secret. After a minute, when you see the changes in the vegetables, it's already done. For the plating, I already prepared the plate. I put some Chinese pechay around the plate. We're just going to add the chop suey in the center. Since this is a vegetable dish, so aside from being delicious, this is also nutritious. For the garnish, I'm going to use peanuts and boiled quail eggs. I'm just going to put the peanuts on the top of the vegetables. After adding the peanuts, we're going to add the boiled quail egg.
Ano ba itong kainin?
Gusto mo? Ano?
Ruth.
What can you say about the food?
It's very tasty.
Delicious.
How about you, Brad?
It's delicious. It's the most delicious.
And the blending of the vegetables and peanuts is delicious.